Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Super Robot series Get a Robo Devolution. So this is a manga which is published on 2015 if I'm not mistaken, and it's being serialized 2019 I think, if I'm not mistaken. If correct me if I'm wrong, you can comment in the comment section. And this is a metal build version of the Get a Robo from Bandai, but it's very expensive. You cannot afford that, so I choose to buy the MJH, which is a Chinese bootleg. So this is a Chinese bootleg which also creates the God Gundam metal build version, or the forgot the term for that. I think that's the high resolution. Yes, that's the God Gundam high resolution, and also the Gundam Wing Zero high resolution. So MJH is the #1 copier of those designs. So I bought this MJH kit of Get a Robo Devolution. To be honest, the box here looks like a shoebox. It looks like a shoebox. There's this variation, the black version of Get a Robo, and just invert the color. Instead of this one being red, this is black, and this will be red. So, but that black one is a limited offer, I think, and it's being sold quickly from the market. So anyway, let's check this bootleg kit out, Get a Robo Devolution. Now let's open the shoebox, and we can see, or we will see, the kit here. Even the manual looks like the shoebox design. So the manual here is very Chinese, I think, and obviously it's very Chinese because this is how Chinese print their manuals. But to be honest, it's organized. I really like or appreciate the Chinese manuals. Very straight to the point, simplistic, and simpler, or simple to understand. So it's black and white print, black and white print, black and white print, few words, and just no more explanation, just how you put everything in order. So this is the parts here. We have gray parts, chunky parts. I think this is a decent kit. Based on the review, this is a heavy kit. So this is the red parts for the point red parts. There are maroon parts also. There's this cape, very nice cape with wire, and there's this metal circle there, and yep, there's this white parts, gray parts, cape parts. We have here red parts here, clear green parts, and silver parts there. We have here yellow parts, manipulator sets for the hands, and red parts there. Finally, we have here gray parts, silver parts, and clear green parts. Actually, it's not clear, it's a translucent green parts. And finally, we have a very nice stand included for this model kit. Again, this is a kudos for MJH, or Chinese products. Most Chinese products include stand in their kits, unlike Bandai. Some Bandai kits has stand, but most Chinese product include stand, which is a very plus factor for them, and cheaper also. So as always, let's have a quick review of the runners here before we build the kit. And just to mention and just to appreciate this kit, I'm really amazed and very happy with this cape. This is very, this is very intricate, and it's being effortlessly made. It's being stitched here. There's a wire there if you want to fold it into like this. Later I will do that after I build the kit. It's really effortlessly done, unlike Bandai capes for the Crossbone Gundam, which looks like a garbage. Bandai capes looks garbage. Unlike this Chinese bootleg kits or Chinese company, they really put their effort in making this cape. Kudos to that. Kudos to this MJH kit. And so let's go to the parts here. We have here red parts, pre-painted face part for the head. We have gray parts here for some pointy bits, and I think this is for the joint parts. We have white parts here, runner D. We have gray parts again for the axe. This is the axe. To be honest, this is heavy, little heavy, and I think this is there. So this is runner E1 and runner D1 here. So we have two runner E1 here. Okay. For the white parts, we have here runner C. So this is runner C. We have here red parts for runner A and runner B. This is runner A, runner B, and another runner B. So we have two sets of runner B for the red parts. For the silver parts here, we have runner A1. So we have two sets of runner A1. This one. We have translucent green parts here for runner I. So we have two sets of runner I here. Translucent green parts. Let's go to manipulator sets here. We have runner G for the hands. We have yellow parts here for runner I1 and another runner I1. So we have two runner I1 here. We have runner F for the yellow parts. We have runner E for the yellow parts again. We have two sets of runner F1 for the red spiky parts here. Again, for the gray parts, metallic gray parts, we have runner M and runner M. So we have two sets of runner M. And here for the pole here, we have runner L. Yes, these inner frame parts. For this gauntlet spikes, we have two sets of this. This is runner J. These are runner J for the forearm spikes, spiky parts. We have translucent green parts here, which is runner H1. We have two sets of this. Then we have here runner K for the blade parts, hand blade parts. So we have two sets of this. So two sets of runner K. And for the axe parts, we have runner B1. We have runner C1. And we have this brownish red or brown parts here. We have runner H. We have runner G1. So we have 2 sets of runner G1 here for the red parts, and finally we have runner B1 again. So we have 2 sets of runner B1. So this is a jam pack of plastic for this kit, and I will enjoy this kit building. And I noticed there is no sticker for this kit, and that's a plus point. Kits without sticker means it has a lot of color separated parts, so I'm very happy to buy this, and I hope this is not a hand grenade. Anyway, I will update you once I finish this kit, and see you next time. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Let's build this kit once and for all, and goodbye guys. Thank you for watching.